If you deposit $1 in bank account on first day and balance increases or decreases in alternating pattern. Such sequences can be used to model many real-life situations, including spread of virus, salaries over time, measuring petrol left in tank while driving at a constant speed, and tiring patterns, etc. Sometimes sequences have terms that alternate, यानी मुतबादल terms होती हैं sequences के अंदर. In fact, the terms may actually alternate in sign. However, resulting terms will not show increase or decrease as n increases. Notice first term is greater than the second term is less than the third term, and third term is greater than the fourth term, and this trend continues forever. -1 power n हमें show करता है कि हमारी terms alternate होंगी. For every odd number, we are having negative term, and for every even number, we are having a positive term. Now let's look at the formula. We are given an alternating sequence. How do we know that this sequence is alternating? We have -1 power n. For the first term, we get a negative value. For second term, we get a positive. Third term, negative. And fourth term, positive. And this continues forever. Now here's a challenge for you. Write the first 5 terms of the given sequence and comment down the answer below. Recall that the piecewise functions are defined by multiple subsections, and they are given as if we have a formula n square for every n not divisible by 3 and n by 2 if n is divisible by 3. A different formula might represent each individual subsection. Now, if you want to get the first term, since 1 is not divisible by 3, we will be using formula n square. For second term, 2 is not divisible by 3, we will be using n square. For third term, 3 is divisible by 3, so we will be using n by 2, so we get 3 by 2. Now again, here's a challenge for you. Write the first 5 terms of the sequence. Use first formula for every n that is even and second formula for every n that is an odd number. Next comes the finding an explicit formula. अब तक हमें positive formula दिया गया था and we were asked to find the number of terms and sequences. बाज़ औक़ात explicit formula नहीं दिया जाता. Instead we were given several terms in a sequence. और जब ऐसा होता है तो हम sequence की पहली term से formula find करने के लिए reverse में काम करते हैं. The key to finding an explicit formula is to look for a pattern in the terms. Keep in mind, patterns may involve alternating terms, formulas for numerators, formulas for denominators, exponents, and bases. Now here we have a given sequence and another sequence, and we are asked to find this explicit formula. First sequence के लिए terms alternate कर रही हैं. We can see that for first one, the terms alternate between negative and positive sign, so we can use -1 power n for alternating terms. Now second thing that we have to see is that for numerator we can use formula n plus 1, because if we put n equals to 1 and 1 plus 1 we get numerator जो कि हमारा ऊपर वाला नंबर है, and for denominator we can use 2n plus 9, क्योंकि अगर हम n1 put करेंगे 2 into 1 plus 9 we get 11, which will be denominator. So our formula will be -1 power n, जो कि शो कर रहा है कि ये हमारे पास अल्टरनेटिंग टर्म्स हैं सीक्वेंस के अंदर, with numerator n plus 1 and denominator 2n plus 9. So we have an -1 power n plus 1 with denominator 2n plus 9. For this one हम देख सकते हैं कि the terms are powers of e, and for n equals to 1 we can have n plus 3, because if we put 1 plus 3 we get first term as e4. So we simply have the formula a n equals to e n plus 3. For n2 we get 5, for n3 we get 6, and so on. So again, I have a challenge for you. Write an explicit formula for the term of the given sequence, and see you in the next video.